What is up, YouTube? Today we have a very special modification for the GTR. It's very, very small, but I've been waiting about 2 weeks for this to come in the mail, and it's finally in the mail. So let's start this video off with an unboxing. So like I said, this is nothing big, but I've been needing this since I bought the GTR actually, and I've been lazy to replace it. And that is new LED door lights, because my old ones were actually flickering like crazy. I think they were kind of cheap, so I bought some really nice Diode Dynamics LED bulbs for the door. Looks like I even got a sticker from them, which I won't put on the car sadly, but it's always nice when companies include stickers. So on the left right here is the old one. I'm not sure what brand, like I said, and here's the new Diode Dynamic one. If you look close and focus, it's all its light in the front, where the old one actually was on the side. So I'm really curious how these work and if they look better or they look worse. But the old ones, if you guys did not know, started to flicker and not even turn on sometimes, which is kind of common on GTRs. So hopefully these new ones, being such a good company and they're pretty pricey for this kind of light, they work for quite a while. So I'm gonna try to do this all with one hand. I already have the cover off to show you guys the old ones, but I'm gonna show you guys how to put it back on. The cover just snaps off and the bulb just pulls out. So I'm just gonna insert the bulb, and then there you guys go. You can see that already, that light shining. It's a lot more of a white light than a blue light, which I think looks a lot more clean. So that's already in. You just plug it in, and then the cover's gonna go on. The white part's more towards the bottom, and it's literally just gonna snap on like that. And I did it with one hand. The light is not flickering anymore, and it is being solid. So like I said, it was flickering. It wouldn't even turn on when the door opened. So it's a big improvement. I have no idea why I kept it flickering for 2 years. I'm gonna go ahead and toss these lights away. I definitely don't need these anymore. Goodbye. So that was one of the fastest installations I've ever done on the channel, I think. But something we have in the garage, if you guys didn't notice, is the Jeep. So it always seems like there's something new next to the GTR. We either have the Jeep, the Saturn, a trailer, just about anything. But once I get the Tesla, if I do for a daily, it'll be right here next to my baby. So I'm not sponsored by Diode Dynamics or anything, but they just make really good lights. If you guys want to check out their page, I'll put a link in the description to their website. They make lights for just about any vehicle, and I've never had an issue with them. Still some things I need to do to the GTR, like I said in my last video, is raise the front air suspension to be a little bit more equal with the rear. And then something new I found was I have to straighten the steering wheel, because I installed a carbon fiber steering wheel about a year ago. And something about it is it's not perfectly straight. When it's parked, it looks straight, but when you drive it, it's not. So something I have to do is move it about a tooth to the left, because it's a little bit to the right, and I know the alignment is correct. So I just have to take off the steering wheel, which takes about like 5 minutes, and move it one tooth to the left, and I'll put that in the next video. Something else I have to do today is ceramic coat my dad's wheels on his truck. He just got these. They're Fuels. I'm not sure the style, but they're really nice wheels, and I'm gonna ceramic coat them for the winter. I don't know a whole bunch about trucks, but I think this is a 2020 Ram 2500 Laramie. So he just got a level kit, and then he got the wheels after the level kit. And this is his daily car. You guys know he has the Lamborghini, but this is kind of his winter beater and daily, I guess you could say. A couple other things, he added the red Ram, and then he also added red where it says heavy duty, and the 6.4 from the SRTs, which are pretty cool. The wheels are all done now. This is about 5 hours later, but they're looking absolutely beautiful. So you won't be able to tell in the video, but the wheels are way more glossy. The water's gonna bead right off of them. And the most important thing is these wheels will be protected from the Michigan salt in the winter. So that's the main thing. You don't wanna wreck these really nice wheels with the salt on the roads. And the last thing I wanna show you guys today is my new gaming setup, which is at an office actually about 20 minutes away from my house. So I'm gonna drive there and show you guys. I'm really pumped about it. As you guys know, I do some Twitch streaming. I'm in and out with it, but I'm gonna try to do it way more often. But I think it's a pretty cool setup, and I have it all to myself, so I'll show you guys that. So we're now at the office, but I want to show you guys some things on the Saturn before I show you around here. So if we head out the door, Saturn over here. So just some minor things. If you guys didn't know, this is my daily driver. I just put some new tires on her for the winter, so she'll be good to go. It was completely bald because the alignment was messed up, but I got some new tie rods, got it aligned, and she's good to go. But if you guys didn't know, the transmission blew on the Saturn. I was stuck in a Subway parking lot, so I had to get towed to a shop. I got the transmission rebuilt. Cost us about $3,000 on a $4,000 car, which sucks, but I'll just sell it in the spring, get some money back hopefully, but it'll last through the winter. So I'll show you guys the office now. So we got mirrored glass right here. You guys can't see anything inside, but if you go inside, it's pretty cool. So this room is just kind of a storage room. If you go over here, it's just kind of an open office space. Got some chairs, table, and then you got a bathroom in here, nothing special. And in the back, we have like a small little kitchen. Got microwave, sink, cabinets, garbage, but just something little. So in the other direction, we have my streaming room, which is pretty cool. I always have the lights off because I have this LED strip which lights it up. Also this window. But I got this isolating foam, which I have more of in this corner. But I want to fill up this whole wall because there's a lot of echo in this room, especially when I stream. So in the corner right here, I have a TV to watch Netflix, YouTube. It's all on its own computer. I have a mouse pad right there, along with a chair. I'm not sure why. But then here is my setup. So I got the remote for LEDs. I got 2 screens, one for reading chat, one for playing my games, or I can watch YouTube, watch Twitch at the same time. It's pretty nice. I do want to add a 3rd monitor, maybe more over here, move it around. But I got my keyboard, which is a little outdated, LED mouse pad. Got my microphone, headset, all my cables, everything down here. And then we have my computer. This thing costed me about $3,000, but I use it to game, edit, do a lot of things with it, so it's totally worth it. And then I have this regular plain chair. I need to get a gaming chair. It's not the most comfortable chair in the world, but it does the job. So this is the whole streaming room, but like I said, I want to insulate it more to make it a little better. But it is what it is. So I just wanted to show you guys this whole office because some of you guys watch me on Twitch, and I just want to show you guys a more detailed walk around of this whole office space, which is pretty cool. The only negative part is, like I said, it's about 20 minutes away from my house, so I have to drive 20 minutes every single time I want to edit a video, play a video game, or just do whatever on it, I guess you could say. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little bit shorter than last time, but like I said, I'm trying to upload at least once a week on YouTube. It might be a little difficult, especially in the winter, because I can't drive the car, which I know you guys all want to see, and I'm really sorry about that. But I'm having more mods coming on the way, even if they're small. I feel like it's something to watch. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. It lets me know that you guys are liking the videos and you guys want me to make more. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We're really close to 11,000 followers, which I cannot believe. I have something really big planned for the GTR in the spring, something I don't think any of you guys will see coming, and I can't wait to do it. I just have to wait for the snow to be gone in Michigan, and we can get this going. But the car might look a little bit different. That's my only hint to you guys. So like I said, next video should be me doing some maintenance to the GTR with the steering wheel, maybe the suspension, and go from there. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out.